Welcome to ArtMagic.
Are you ready to set sail on a creative adventure? Drawing a ship is a fantastic way to learn about shapes, lines, and imagination. Follow along with this simple step-by-step guide to create your very own majestic vessel. Begin by drawing a long, curved line slightly tilted upwards. This will form the base of your ship, known as the hull. Think of it as a banana shape lying on its side. Let your creativity shine by coloring your ship however you like. Use shades of yellow, blue, orange for the ship's body. Imagine the adventures your ship will embark on as you color. Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, ArtMagic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.